Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue during the day, but turns orange or red at sunset? It feels so normal that we often forget how strange it really is. Today, let's break down this mystery in the simplest way possible. First, let's talk about sunlight. To our eyes, sunlight looks plain white. But in reality, white light is a mixture of many colors, the same colors we see in a rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. If you've ever seen light passing through a prism, you know it splits into these beautiful colors. That's because all these wavelengths are hidden inside sunlight. But if sunlight has all colors, why don't we see a white sky? The answer lies in Earth's atmosphere. Our air is filled with tiny molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. When sunlight enters, it doesn't just pass through, it collides with these molecules. This process bends and scatters the light. Now here's the key: not all colors scatter equally. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, are much smaller and scatter more strongly. Longer wavelengths, like red and orange, pass through with less scattering. So as sunlight spreads across the sky, blue light is scattered in all directions, filling the sky with its color. But then, you may ask, why don't we see violet instead of blue? That's a smart question. Violet light does scatter even more than blue, but human eyes are not very sensitive to violet. We see blue more clearly, and the sun produces slightly less violet than blue. That's why our sky appears blue, not purple. So why does the sky change color during sunrise and sunset? At those times, sunlight has to travel through a much thicker layer of atmosphere. By the time the light reaches us, most of the blue has already scattered away. Only the longer wavelengths, like red, orange, and pink, survive the journey. That's why sunsets and sunrises look so breathtaking. And here's something even cooler: skies don't look the same on other planets. On Mars, the sky often looks pinkish or reddish because of all the dust in its thin atmosphere. On the Moon, there is no atmosphere at all, so the sky is always black. Even in the middle of the day, the color of the sky is not just about the sun, it's also about the planet's atmosphere. So now you know, the sky is blue because Earth's atmosphere scatters sunlight, and blue light wins the race to our eyes. It's a perfect balance of light, air, and human vision. But here's a question: if the sky can look blue, red, or pink, could it ever turn green or even purple? That's a mystery we'll explore in an upcoming video. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what science mystery you want us to explore next.